Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a forum text channel on Discord. Super simple to do. Make sure your Discord is a community or has a lot of members. If not, you cannot see the create a forum channel. So you're going to select create channel here, and as you can see, there are a lot of options: text, voice, forum, announcement, and stage. You're going to select forum, create a space for organized discussions. You can then type in your channel name. I'll just name mine discussion, and then I'm just going to select create channel. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you. Bye!